Hello friend, this is Tapos and welcome to my channel Tapos Digital. In this short video, I will show you how you can edit your website. It may be your header, footer, intersection, section and everything you can edit by watching this video. So if you have any problem, if you have any question regarding the same thing, so you can send me a text. So I will help you. I will create a video on that note. And so yeah, so let's get started. So I will take a website here. So here I have a website spacestylist.com, and this website I have made for my nephew actually. So you have to open the admin panel. Okay, so here you can see there is the spacestylist.com/wp admin. So I will open this thing. This is the admin panel, WordPress. So I will log in. So here you can see this is the admin panel. This is the back side of your website. So here you can do everything. Everything means you can post, you can manage the media, even the photo and everything. You can manage the page if you want to add or delete any page. You can do that. If you approve some comments, the received comments, you can do that. This is something else. This is a SEO plugin. And Elementor is a page builder, website page builder. So actually we will work on it. And if you want to edit anything means your photo, any text or anything, if you want to edit, so you have to go to Elementor and then you have to edit it. So template, there are some editable templates you can buy, or you can there are some free template also you can use. Elementor Kit, it is mainly we use for header footer, for the better header and footer. There are some premium plugin also. If you want, you can use that, but free is good for the beginners. Appearance is something where we can edit themes, customize, and this is something an add-on, so it's okay if you don't know it. There are some plugin we use, and so this is the plugins. Plugins means if you want to install some plugin or delete some plugins, you can do that. So here I can show you there are some plugins we have already installed, and this is the main these are the plugins you must have. So anti-spam, it is not required. Elementor is required. It is a page builder. Without this you cannot create a website. This is a main page builder, so you have to have a Elementor plugin. Elementor skill is there. Then light speeds cache, this is you need. Rank math, it is for SEO. Rank math is you need. You can use yoast SEO also. Starter template, this you can take. Ultimate add-on, this is also required. WP form, WP form means this is the contact form we have used, so we need that. Okay, so these are the plugins we have already installed. If you want to add something more, so you can add it from add new. And yeah, that is it. And so let's see how you can edit your basics of your website. So what I have to do is we will go to the visit site, the main site we will go. So this is the main site, and this is the company's logo. This is the page we have, and this is the home page. We are here, so this is it. And all these things, whichever one, what you are seeing here, all these things are editable. Okay, you can change this, you can change this, you can edit this, you can this thing you can edit, or this thing, this text, this image, this thing. I mean to say everything you can edit. Everything you can edit. Everything means everything. So I will show you. See, this is the header section. Hmm. This section is the header section, and this is the footer section. Okay, so if you want to change, you want to edit anything on your header or footer, so you have to customize. Huh? You have to customize if you want to edit your header section and the footer section. So we have to go to customize. So if you go to customize section and edit the header and footer, the every pages it will be reflected. So it is not like that you have to go every pages and you have to edit all these things again and again. So I will show you how. And then if you want to change the apart from header and footer, if you want to change anything, you have to go to edit with Elementor. Got the point? If you want to change header and footer, if you want to edit header and footer, you have to go to the customize section. And if you want to edit apart from header and footer, you have to go to edit with Elementor. Okay, so you can go also edit page, and there also you can edit the thing. But one thing, if you want to change edit anything header inside the header and footer, you have to go customize. So one time it is, so every pages it will be automatically reflected. But for the edit with Elementor, you have to take one single page and edit that thing, then you have to go another single page, you have to edit that, you have to go another page, and then you have to edit it. Okay, so I will show you how you can do this. WP form we have used, so if you want to edit anything, so you can edit from here. And yeah, that's it. So first I will edit with Elementor. So suppose you want to change this background. I mean, here is our image, you want to change the background, you want to change this text, and you want to change this text or anything. So what you will do is go to edit with Elementor. Yes, so we are, this is the Elementor tab you have given. So here it is. So suppose I want to change this background of this. So what I have to do is I have to click this thing. This is going to edit section. Okay, so I have to click this, and then I have to go to the style page. See, this image is here. Okay, so if I want to change the image, I will just delete this image and choose another image. So I can do another image, choose image, and see there are lots of image I have for that company, for my nephew's company. So here I can select anything, and then I will do insert media. Okay, so I will change it. So I'm not changing it, actually it is already set it up, so I will not change it, but you can do this like that way. Okay, so here you can upload your own image. You can upload your own file. So select files, you have to go to your whatever you are desktop, download anywhere. So you have to select that image. You have to select that image. Suppose there is an image, so you can take that image and just you have to select it and then insert it. So I am not inserting because it is already set it up, so I am not change the image. So like this way you can change. Okay, and then you can fix the position also. Here is a positioning. Suppose there is a image and it is, see, let me go center, left, center, play with these things. Center, left, center, right, and just position your image to the website. Okay, so you can position it, is already fixedly it is already fixed, so I am not going to change anything. And after changing, one thing remember, don't forget to update this thing. So don't forget to update it. And you can do another thing, after updating you can see the mobile version also. So suppose I have updated this thing and then I have updated it. So updated it, then I will show the mobile version of this thing. So here is the PC version, here is the tab version, here is the mobile version. So I'll go to mobile and see how it will be looking in our mobile. So here you can see. Okay, so like this way. Now I go to set and I will update it. Okay, and now this is already updated. Okay, now I want to change this text. I just want to change this text. So what I will do is I will just click the edit section. I have clicked it and then I will change the text. So what, here's a layout. I will go to style. I will go to advanced. See, here is the option. So layout. I will click inside the text and here you can see the title is there. So if you want to change, I will just copy it. So here you can see if I write anything, it will be updated here. Okay, so I am not editing this thing. I will just keep the same thing. If you want to bookmark that thing, so you can, if you can increase or decrease the size, you can, small, medium, anything. So it is default here. So if you want to change it medium, you can do, you can double XL, you can do, just play with this thing. So I will do it default. HTML tag, if you want to edit, if you want to do it H1, you can do. So you do. If you want to keep it left side, you can. If you middle, you can. Just play with this and just fix it and see how it has been fixed. So anything. Now this image, if you want to change, just click this image and here you can see this is a carousel at. This is a, sorry, it is not a net, it is a carousel I have selected here. So step by within 30 seconds or 10 seconds or 20 seconds it will be changed. So if you want to change anything, you can delete it and add it. Okay, so here it is. I am not going to change it. So now if you want to change the this thing text, I show you, then image I show you. Now go to the call to action button. Here you can see it is written here, text and no more. So no more. If you want to change anything else, you can do this. Just learn more, you can do. Learn more, you can do. Okay, so okay, so here it is. So I have set a link here. The no more, whenever the customer will click no more button and no more button, so he or she will be redirected to the contact us page. Okay, contact us page. So how it is? So let's see how it is. I will show you. I will go to the website. This is the website. So here if he goes to the no more, click no more section, he will be redirected to the project site. Sorry, project site. Okay, this is the portfolio section. So portfolio page. So here the customer will be redirected. Okay, so let's go to the admin panel. So this is where you can change everything. You can change the call to action, and if you want to change the color button, everything you can change. So here I will go to style and here you can see the color is green here. The actual color is green, but when the customer will hover what the tab, it is something different. So that can also be selected. So how it is the normal thing, and normal thing is it is green, and however the color is this. Okay, so if someone keep the cursor here, so this color will be faded. You can change this color also. How you can change, I will show. So here the color, background color is nothing, background type it is, text color is here. The text color you can change if you want. The text color, if you want to keep it red, you can keep it red. I kept it black, it is looking good, that's why I kept it black. The background type, if you can do two things, one is classical color and another is gradient color. So for the button, it is keep it single color, so I keep it green. If you want to change it something else, you can do that. So go to this color, go to this color, play with this thing, play with this thing, and let's find the fit perfect match of your website. So here it is. So I will go deep light green, so you can do it. So here it is done. Okay, so you can change anything here. So I will update it. Don't forget to update it, whenever you are updating something, so don't forget to update it after changing all this thing. So this is it. So the main thing is you have to go to the section and then you have to edit it, so everything can be edited. So mainly the content part here is content only. For the text or anything, you can go to content section and there you can be edited. And style section, there is the design, color and everything, and there is something advanced. There also the margin and padding. Margin, and if you think the gap between this button to this button is something a, so you can change this thing. So I let me show you. Let me show you. Go to the section. Go to the intersection. Here is the section. Just right click and then fix the stuff. Go to style and advanced. See, here is the margin. So if you see, are you seeing something? So here just observe this thing, what is happening. So if I merge between this text to this button, okay, so as I have selected the button and then the text, so it is like this. And now if it is like this, see, okay, it has been changed. So just update it. Okay, so like this way you can change everything, content, style and advanced. So first you have to select the section and then you have to edit, and everything you can edit it. If you want to edit anything else, I mean here are few sections I have added. One section, two section, three sections, four sections. If you want to add anything else, just go to the plus button. Here are the sections. This is single section, this is double, three, thrice, fourth, like this way, this way. So if you want to select this thing, so this section has been added. If you want to put something, suppose you want to put a video over here, so you just go to the section button and here, then you can go to this section, and now you want a video. So what you will do is you just take the video and just drag and drop, just drag the and drop the video. So here is the video, here is the video, here is the video. So now you can give your video link or anything. Here is Vimeo video, daily motion, self-hosted, anything you can take. So go to self-hosted and just choose your video. If you have any video, select your file and just open this thing, and your video will be selected, and here it will be, if you want to delete that section, just cross this, it will be deleted. Then if you want to make it stylish, so go to style section, go to advanced section, you can be edited. So here I don't need any video so far, so in future if I need any video to add, so I will add the section. So I am just closing this thing, and here if you want to anything else, if you want to add, see here are the intersection heading means this heading I have used, this heading I use this option. So just drag this thing and drop the thing there. Image, you can suppose here you want to see, I want to add image, two image I want to add, so there you can see two intersection has been created. So what I will do is I just select this thing, I will keep an image here, just drag the image and drop it, and now select your image, go to this site, download, so this is the image I want to take, I will take this image I want to take, it might be broken, so just for the purpose I have just edited. And then go to this page and say take a something else means anything, there are lots of option, and this is a pro. If you are using premium version of Elementor, then you can use this thing, and if you are but in the free version you will get a lots of things here. These are the basic things you will get, and this is more than enough. And then we have general section, there are, as we install the plugin Ultimate Gutenberg, so there also you will get lots of things in free. So here image box, you can choose image box, just play with this thing. Here is a image, here is a caption, and there is some text. So you go to choose image anything randomly, I'm just using this thing, this image. Here you can edit the title, this is the highlight, this is the company's logo, I will add the caption, then I will put the text, I will delete this thing, and then I will write here anything I can write, huh? So brief the product, whatever you are pitching to your customer and want to see. So okay, so here it is. So I would not update this thing because this is not a thing I want to do, so I will close it, I don't need it. So I mean to say, if you can edit anything, you can add anything by this way, so it is good so far. So I will update this thing, and now so see there are few options that I didn't use, but if you want to use you can. So how, I will show you. See, there are some options, this is the option, this is the option, yeah, background overlay. And so if you want to change the background color or images anything, you can like this way, background, under the background section, here is the background section, you can go to background overlay, border, you can keep the border so outside, lots of things you can do. And there, go to advanced and motion effects, I will show you the motion effects how you can do it. So just to go to this section, just go to this section and select the motion effect, select the section and go to motion effects. Lots of motion effects are there, so here it is selected default, so there is no motion effect. So I will select fade in, see how it has been changed. Then if you do fade down, your website will come like this whenever someone will open it. And if I use zoom in, your website will come like this whenever someone will open your website. So here it is. So I will update it. Now let's see. See the how the website is coming. The home page is coming. So have you seen? So you can play with this. There are lots of options. There are lots of motion effects are there. So you can change based on your requirement. So Jello, how it is? Yeah, it will come like this. So let's see. It is only for the home page, huh? Not for the entire page. So let's go to this. Let's go to home page. Have you seen the website? Looking good. So I would not keep anything. So I will keep it none. So there is no motion effects. So if you want, you can. Then responsive, this thing I don't need that thing. So yeah, it is as it is. So far whatever I did, so I have saved this thing. Okay, so just go back. So I think you have understood how you can change everything, how you can edit everything. So now I will show you how you can see here the header option is not there. I mean the this option, company's logo on this page, and the footer section, it is not here, isn't it? The footer is there, but you cannot edit that footer. See, there is nothing cannot uh, change the footer by selecting Elementor, edit with Elementor. Okay, so what I will do is I will just go back. So it is still yet. So yeah, so now what I will do is I will just change this section and the footer section. So I would not go to edit with Elementor, I will go to customize. So here it is, go to customize. Yeah, so this is the thing. Here you can, there are lots of options. So the basic thing I will show you. So just take your mouse to the selected area where you want to change. So here, see, I have just keep my cursor on the company's logo. There are two edit options there. This is the edit option, this is the edit option. If you go here, edit option, click to edit this element. Here also click to edit this element, you will get. Okay, and here not, here you cannot edit. Okay, so or if you go to this section, you can edit this, our company, edit get in touch, edit contact information. So I will show you how you can edit. So first I will go to here. I want to change the company's logo. So here you can see remove or change image, remove or change image. So if you want to change the image, you can go select, you can, if you want to remove it, and after doing all the activities you have to publish it. Okay, so I have removed the company's logo. I have removed the company's logo. So now I can publish it. So I have published. Now you will see there is no company's logo, it is here. So I will refresh this page and it is gone. Okay, so I will keep company's logo. So how I can do this, I will do a company's logo here. I will go to will go to that section and then I will site title and logo. I will select it, select logo. I will take this logo. I will select it, not crop. It is not yet finished, so what I will change logo. I will do this thing. So here it is. So I have updated it. Now it is published. You can skip the A also. Now you can see here it will be visible. Yeah, it is here. And now if you want to change this thing, you can change here. You can see the tab version, you can see the mobile version. Here you can see it is looking like this. So I have to edit this thing. Okay, I will do it later. And here it is, and here also some options, retina something. Okay, so this way you can edit your logo and the pages you can edit also. So I am not going to edit this thing. So now if you want the you change the footer section, there also you can do. So I will customize this thing, and now go to the footer section and then you can edit anything. Suppose you want to change this thing, just go to our company. Here you can see about us, portfolio, testimonial pages are there as visible. If you want to change anything, you can click here and you can here it is bookmarked, URL is there. So if you want to keep the URL, you can. So I will surely keep the URL here. So here I will take the which URL it is, about us. So I will take the about section, I will go, and then I will take the copy the link, and here I will paste it, I will publish it. Okay, I will go to portfolio section. Here is also the link. I will go to portfolio, I will copy, and then I will the portfolio, I will go to testimonial, I will take the testimonial link. Just I have copied the link, Control C, and then I will paste here the URL. So what will happen is when someone will click this about us portfolio, it will be automatically redirected to that page. Okay, here is published. Now I'll go to contact page, take the contact form, contact link, and then I will select the link here. It is done. Okay, so it is done. So now if you want to change to get into here Facebook, if you want to add your Instagram, you can do that. If you want to add LinkedIn, you can do that. So how we will do this, I will show you. Here just click this thing. Here get in touch is here, and Facebook is there. If you want to add something, you can add it. Add the Instagram. just a minute here. The pages, post, landing pages. It is not a landing pages. Pages. If you want to add, so here you have to add some pages. So I'm not going to add this thing. So if you want to add something, so I will show. So here if you want to add you can, but somehow it is not been. So the social icon can be added here, but why the other thing is not coming? Let's check item. So here that means I have to add some pages or something. So I'm not going to edit these things right now. So you can add, and if you want to add some social icon, that is also possible, that you can done. So I will show you how you can do this. So here, so I will just write it in stock. Instagram. Okay. Add a page. I will do Instagram. I will add it. Now LinkedIn. LinkedIn. I will add it. And now I will go to Instagram. And I will keep the link here. Instagram. And then I will select the link of Instagram. Okay, so here I'm not using this as it is not required, so I'm just removing this thing. So like this way you can add this thing, whatever you want to add. And if you want to add any social media icon, so what you can do is you can, there are some free plugin. Let me see. You can go to dashboard, and here you can see I have taken Elementor's kit. Here you can select any header and footer section. So header and footer, there are lots of footer, so there also footer. Just a minute. I think I didn't use Elementor's kit. Something else I used, so I don't remember what I used. But I think uh, which other folder I took. I don't remember. Okay, so if you want to edit any social media icon like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and anything else, you can do that. So how you can do that? You have to go to the Edit with Elementor section, and then you can do it. So go to Edit with Elementor, and here you can search here social icons. You can select. So here it will not come because it is quite different. So here suppose you have add something, so you can add here, and there you social social icons. Lots of icons are there. If you want to add, you can add. So add item. So here you can change the logo from icon library. Suppose you want to change Twitter, insert Twitter, or Twitter was already there. So forget Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube is there. So you want to add Instagram and LinkedIn. So go here, go to icon library, write down LINK, LinkedIn, take this thing, insert, it is already added. Now you can put the link here, your LinkedIn profile link you can add here, and now you can add color. You can change official color as the original color is like this. So you can do this, and if you want to change the color, you can. So edit Instagram, I will go change like for Instagram. You can put official color. This is not the official color, so custom color if you want, you can. Primary color, how Instagram looks, let's say I think it's red. I think it's red. So it's red, so you can give it red if you want. So you can play with these things what it is coming. So then you update it. So I will not use this thing, so I will just simply delete this section. Okay, so like this way you can do anything. And on the footer section, if you want to add the icon, so you have to go to the customize, and then you have to edit it. And otherwise you can do another thing, you can change the entire footer section. Oh, so right now I don't remember which footer section I used, but let's try to dashboards. Just a minute. No, this is not post media library page comments. So I think I used on Elementor header and footer section, but I don't know why it's not opening right now. So welcome to Elementor Skate. I think they have changed their intersection, so that is why I'm not getting it. So let's see Elementor. Now I'm not remembering this thing. So there are some free templates you can use for a header and footer, and in a different video I will show you how you can select a header and footer and customize a header and footer, which is good and it is free. And there are some premium here also, premium plugin also, where you will be charged. But for the beginners I will suggest use for the free. There are lots of things, and this thing I have used for free. This header section and the footer section I have used for free. So if you want to buy, you can buy. But the free, there are some header and footer, some good looking header and footer, so you can use initially. Okay, so yeah, here it is. And just let me know if you want to. As a one more thing before closing up. So if you are editing any page, let's show you again. So suppose you want to change anything inside the home page. So now you are in the home page. So now you are going to edit with Elementor. You are changing everything. But if you want to change something in portfolio section, you have to go that page first. Suppose here I am in the portfolio page. Now you go to the edit with Elementor section and edit everything that you want to change. Okay, and play with it. And if you whenever you are getting stuck, you just text me with the screenshot, so I will solve that problem. Okay, and so the main thing is wherever you are, if you want to change the anything, image, text, anything, you can do. But first you have to go to that page first. Go to the page, about page, testimonial page, and contact page, wherever you want to edit. So go to that page first and then edit with Elementor for the intersection change. Okay, and now if you want to change the header and footer section, just go to the customize section. This is the only thing I need have done. So I think you have understood, and if you have understood, it's so good. And if you have any question regarding any point of website, so you can comment, so I will reply as early as possible. Okay, so in the next video I will show you based on your queries. And to the next video I have a plan that I will teach you how, I will show you actually how you can create a smart and good looking header and footer for your website. Okay, so that is it for this video. And so if you like and it is helpful for you, so you can subscribe my channel, and if you please like the video if you want. Okay, so it's okay. So good night for everyone. And now it is 12:56. I'm recording this video. So yeah, good night for all of you, and bye bye, take care.